Merry Christmas, everyone. So while I show you a few of the purchases I've been making in the last few months, I know I said I was done stacking for 2020, but I did make a few more purchases. It's hard to go cold turkey. And before I start with the subjects that I had planned for this video, I want to ask you guys for help. So right now the channel is sitting at over 1,000 subscribers. But the watch time for the videos are way too low for YouTube to monetize my channel. So I'm in need of about 1,500 hours of watch time. So if you could, just go to my list of videos. I have about 50 videos on the channel now, and maybe pick a few that would interest you and watch them. That would greatly help me. Yeah, so the reason I wanted to make this video is to make a review of the year for the channel, and also have some special thanks that I want to give to members of the community. I started the channel on January 14, 2020, so that was roughly a year ago. And as I'm recording this video here, we're sitting at exactly 1,005 subscribers. So this is pretty amazing. This year has been great, both for stacking and for the channel in general. Of course, 2020 for everything else has been pretty bad. I really hope that in 2021 we're going to see a better year overall. But I must say I was really happy that I was stacking when we were hit with all of the events that happened. So during the year, as I said, I produced about 50 videos. 44 of them are still active on the channel. I deleted about 6 for various reasons. Mostly I wasn't happy with the videos, so I just removed them. And right now we have about 27,000 views and 2,560 hours of watch time, which is pretty amazing. I really want to thank you guys for staying on the channel and sharing this journey with me. It really means a lot to me. Thank you. This community is so great, and I really feel blessed to be part of it. So I wanted to give a few thanks to a few members of the community that have made a big impact for me this year. First, I want to thank Silver Joker. Silver Joker agreed to do an interview when I had pretty much no subscribers. He's one of the reasons I started stacking, and so it was really an honor for me to be able to interview him. The second thank I want to give is to Salivate Metal for pretty much the same reasons. Sal agreed to do an interview when the channel was really, really small, and he's one of the channels that I follow pretty much every day. I also want to thank Lady Bullion and Abibi for their incredible generosity. I have enjoyed their live stream all year and was able to contribute a little bit to it. I'm looking forward to another year of great times there. Fourth, I want to thank Silver Dragons for his participation in the Community Spotlight show. This channel has been on fire all year, and the success is much deserved. And finally, I want to thank Yankee Stacking for his contribution to the community through the Yankee Box. And Yankee is also responsible for taking this channel over 1,000 subscribers. That was really amazing to watch, and I will be posting a video about that soon. And finally, I'm going to be doing some giveaways. So I wanted to do some giveaways as soon as the channel reached 1,000 subscribers, because in my mind that was when the channel would be monetized. But it turns out that you also need 4,000 hours of watch time, and I'm short, as I was saying earlier. So I'm not going to be doing regular giveaways until the channel is monetized. So this is Christmas, and in the Christmas spirit, I need to do something for my viewers. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be selecting some of my videos at random and picking up comments from them and do giveaways to those people. So in order to be eligible, what you need to do is you need to have commented on a video, you need to have liked the video, and you need to be subscribed to the channel. So the more comments you made and the more likes you gave, the more likely you are to win something. I'm going to be posting that video tomorrow. And I'm thinking about doing probably 5 or 6 prizes, something like that. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm looking forward to producing more content for you in 2021.